Let's see what happens. Lizzie, good girl. Stay! Lizzie! Quick! Good girl. Come. Come. Ah, fetch it up. Lizzie! Good girl. In there. Get it. There it goes. Get it. Lizzie. Ah! Over. Steady, steady. 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 Good girl, steady. Lizzie. There, in front of us. Come here, here. Lizzie. Over. Over. Good girl. Come on, here, here. Oh. Good girl.
That was a quick pickup.
See, that was a bit better retrieve.
Bit of continuity today.
Yeah.
I was quite surprised when that rabbit come running.
So did I. I was going to send her in there when we got up to it, but I thought that there were burrows there, you know.
These burrows have worked well too.
Yeah. We might catch one on the other side. Lizzie, go on.
This is the sort of day you've been hoping for, you know.
Yeah, lovely.
Where she gets, doesn't have to run her little legs off and finding nothing.
There's a go. Lizzie. I thought I got that one, Bruno. Back. I thought I got it. Seriously. No.
Bullshit.
Bullshit. Ah, Bruno. Steady, steady, steady. Good girl. Steady, steady, steady. Bullshit. Ah, goodness me, Bruno. Good girl. Good girl.
That's better.
Good girl.
The last two retrieves are good.
Yeah. Ah, shit. We've still got a bit to go, but I don't want to carry any more rabbits.
Good girl, Lizzie.
Good girl. You want a drink?
I suppose you've got to look at it this way too. One advantage is when there's no cover in the paddock, they got to be where there is a little bit of cover, you know.
Yeah.
But I mean, today's been a good day so far.
Well, I've got the video evidence. Bruno, I'll know who shot that rabbit.
Yeah.